What if I told you that the only difference between staying broke and building real wealth is knowing how to make your money work harder than you do? Not in 10 years, not someday, but starting today with what you already have. This is not a get rich quick scheme. It's the mindset and method that turned ordinary people into millionaires, quietly, consistently, and strategically. Let's talk about how to earn money with investment. Every dollar you don't invest is a soldier sitting idle while inflation wages war on your future. Let that sink in. The average American loses purchasing power every single year and doesn't even realize it. If you're earning money but not investing it, you're not building wealth, you're just surviving. Scary, right? But here's the good news. Building wealth doesn't require being rich. It just requires being smart early. And I know what you're thinking. I barely have money to save. How do I invest? Patience, grasshopper. Let's break it down. Step 1, automate your investing. Use platforms like Fidelity, Vanguard, or Robinhood to automatically invest a portion of every paycheck. Start with just $25 a week. That's one Uber Eats order. Step 2, pick your vehicle. Index funds are your best friend. Broad market exposure, low risk, historically strong returns. Think S&P 500. You're buying a slice of the entire economy. Step 3, think long term. If you invested $100 per month from age 22, earning 8% annually, by 52 you'd have nearly $150,000 from just $36,000 of your own money. That's not magic. That's compounding. Einstein called it the eighth wonder of the world. Step 4, reinvest your dividends always. Dividends are the silent bonus checks that build empires over time. Still think investing is just for finance bros? Nope. It's for anyone who wants to stop trading hours for dollars. But wait, what if the market crashes? Good question. You ready for the truth? Markets will crash. They always have. But guess what? They've also always recovered. Fear makes you freeze. Strategy makes you wealthy. The secret isn't timing the market, it's time in the market. Every day you delay is money lost to inaction. So ask yourself, are you building wealth or just watching others do it?